Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to Raleigh Vintage Magic. As always, I'm Keith Raleigh, and today I would like to share with you a very cool and perhaps unique piece of magic history. This playing card you're seeing was made by Theodore DeLand and sold by the Mysto Magic Company circa 1910. It is a brilliantly made mechanical playing card. It can be found inside of the circa 1911 Mysto Magic catalog, item number 37, Restoring a Torn Card. The catalog description is like this. A playing card is shown. A corner is torn off, placed into the mouth, where it is swallowed. However, upon blowing on the card, it becomes restored. Restoring a playing card, Mysto Magic, Theodore DeLand, circa 1910. Visit YouTube and search Raleigh Vintage Magic, as well as Instagram and TikTok. On those sites, you will see many videos pertaining to classic vintage and antique magic apparatus. As always, thanks for watching.